Gaze fly back the rope and racing, finish it here. Jumps quick out the gate. And Color My World on the outside, one by Teen Titan. Passing the winning pose, finish it here, followed by Teen Titan. Around the outside is Color My World, then followed by Gobernadora. Another straight they travel, Teen Titan. And around the outside, finish it here. Alain can have Color My World, then followed by Gobernadora. And moving up is Seamless, running by the wheel is Federera. And into the back they travel, it is still Teen Titan. Leads Balang, followed by Finish It Here. And Color My World on the outside, 3 lengths back is Gobernadora. Federer twining on her sweet Julian, moving up Nueve de Febrero. While Himless now running in a tail of the field inside the last 600. Color My World, not the outside by half a length, Finish It Here. Teen Titan, Gobernadora, Federer, Nueve de Febrero, and free number 9. And that's twining on her sweet Julian Himless as they hit the final turn with Color My World saying goodbye to the rest of the field, followed now by Federer, and finally it's Color My World. Federer, Gobernadora, close, Teen Titan, 8, 9 de Febrero, and Twining Honor.